your girl Lashae, your favorite stay-at-home mama, 4 under 7, and why the people? Why you wet? Oh shit. What y'all got?
We got makeup.
What else?
Makeup. I could be pretty. And I got dress.
So you got a tea on it? It's yours. Give you the merchandise. I got stuff on it. It's about to be fall. It's about to be fall. Y'all, I am so excited for fall this year. Literally, I have never decorated for the holidays, and this holiday, this fall, winter, all that, in 2025, your girl is decorating. I don't even know what time it is because my husband prefers to unplug Alexa instead of tell Alexa to be quiet. I have a lot of alarms set, and they be going off all through the day, and he be like, why do you have all these alarms set? I forget stuff. I lose track of time. Only moms with ADHD can get it. Like, literally, I set a lot of alarms. Even if I don't wake up at that alarm, I still set it, okay? Early, 12:40, I have to leave around like 2:10 to pick up my oldest baby girl who's in school. So that means we only got really an hour to tidy up and decorate the living room, the living room and the kitchen. I think that's what we got. So I got quite a few things to share with y'all. So we're gonna clean and decorate. Let's get started. Mommy do. Mommy do. Hey. Get it, mommy do. Get it, mommy do. That get it. Alexa, play music.
Here's a mix for you on Amazon Music.
Play fall playlist.
Shuffling the playlist, rediscover the fall and similar tracks on Amazon Music.
Is that yours or Ebby's? Okay, then give it back to Lashae.
Baby, alone.
Empty apartment, sad, fighting flashbacks.
Is this look in the middle?
We have my teddy. The one.
get it. Excuse me. Yeah.
Okay. It's rock. Mommy. I think we have to start the home.
Right on time. Alexa, stop timer. Alexa. I was moving so fast, y'all. A lot of times I forget to put myself on a timer when I'm cleaning or doing anything, but when I do, I get stuff done efficiently. I ignore distractions easier, and like I'm determined more. Like it's just something about doing what I gotta do before that alarm go off that really motivates me to get things done. And I got it done as a mom of 4, autism mom, wife, 4 under 7. Thank God for my husband. He's working and still helping me with the baby. So grateful. Thank you, husband. Thank you, because he know what I do means a lot to me. So I appreciate him taking the time to put baby Lashae to sleep while he working. Y'all, I am coming down with Alexa. Stop. About 10 more minutes before we gotta go pick up cake. Yeah, I'm coming down with a cold. The kids coming down with a cold. Well, they already have a cold, but they gave it to me. And we got our first ever 2025 road trip at the end of the week. So literally by the time y'all see this video, we're gonna be already gone. We tried to cancel it because I really just, when I have a cold, I feel like crap. But sometimes when you go outside and you go in the heat and you move your body, your cold go away faster. They did have to miss gymnastics this week because of the cold, because I didn't want them close in proximity with other children, because I'm their mama. I'm not sending my kids to school sick. I'm not sending my kids around people sick. But in SeaWorld, you're not close to nobody. You playing in water, stuff like that. So we gonna, y'all coming with us. So this is just 1 week. So excited for fall, so excited for spooky season, so excited just to get cozy. Allegedly, y'all seen the video that it's supposed to be really, really cold in Houston, in Texas this winter. Allegedly, we're gonna see, but we're gonna get prepared anyway. But sweating also helps your cold. Like I felt it in my throat yesterday, and I was telling my husband, I said, "Oh, I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it." And then I feel it in my nose today, so it's like a sign it's cold. But I'm gonna keep moving around, elevate my body's temperature to try to sweat this cold out. But anywho, I'm about to go get cake. Thank y'all for spending this cleaning, decorating for fall 2025 with your girl. Talk to y'all later. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and see y'all next time.